Mr. Nepaul Knight. Welcome. How are you doing? Mr. Knight, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Excellent, excellent. Branch manager in Junction, and of course, today we're discussing the benefits of having a deposit account and saving. Speak to us more about this, please, at NCB.
Okay, so at NCB, good morning, listeners. At NCB, we recognize the importance of providing our customers with products that are designed with their needs in mind.
Yes.
Our deposit account products are no exception. So what is a deposit account, you may ask? Deposit accounts are really bank accounts maintained by a financial institution where money can be deposited and withdrawn, allowing persons to manage their finances.
Yeah. And so that is something which, of course, for a very long time, people understand, listen, don't put your money on the mattress, you must put it in a financial institution so you make your deposits, correct?
That's correct.
So what about businesses? Why should individuals and businesses really maintain a deposit account though?
Okay. A deposit account is one tool that will help both businesses and individuals achieve their financial goals by separating their daily transactions from savings. So for individuals, if nothing else, the pandemic has taught us that it is important to have savings put aside for a rainy day or emergencies, in addition to savings towards bigger goals like a deposit to purchase a house or maybe a car. We can also put money aside for bills that we must pay in intervals, like school fees for children in some cases. In terms of individuals or similar to businesses, similar to individuals, our business needs a savings plan to ensure there is cash reserve for operating expenses, emergencies, as well as for future capital investments, or even as a cushion for large tax and statutory payments.
So what are some of the other benefits of a deposit account?
All right, so I try and give you about 5 of them. Sure. It is actually one, a safe avenue for funds. So depositors' funds are protected against loss under the Jamaica Depositors Insurance Corporation, up to $1.2 million. Customers can also withdraw money up to a particular limit at any point in time. And this works out to be very beneficial for salaried and employers and senior citizens who can withdraw whatever they need over a given period, for example, a month.
Okay.
2, it is very flexible. NCB deposit accounts give customers access to a Visa debit card. This card can be used both locally and internationally to access funds and facilitate transactions online, at the ATM, and at the point of sale machine, anywhere Visa is accepted. 3, you can manage your funds. So our customers will have access to the personal online banking website and the NCB mobile app. These platforms enables them to conduct business 24-hour, 7 days per week, and through transfers through RTGS and ACH facilitated within and outside the NCB bank network. So you can actually do business with other financial institutions outside of NCB. 4, it's easy to make payments. So our online banking website allows persons to set up selling orders, conduct mobile top-ups, pay utilities and insurance, among other things, from the comfort of their very home. And 5, it is also an investment opportunity. So an NCB regular savings deposit account is one of the safest forms of investments, as this account pays interest calculated on a minimum monthly balances, and this is paid twice yearly in May and November.
Okay, so can you tell us about some of the deposit accounts offered at NCB?
All right, so we have like the max deposit, the on-the-go accounts, and the quick save accounts.
Well, tell us about the benefits of these accounts.
All right, the benefit of the max deposit is that for both individuals and businesses, they earn significantly higher interest rate, normally linked to a long-term investment in the short term. And the interest is calculated daily and paid at maturity from 30 days to a year. Plus, this account has other benefits, such as access to cash secured loans where you can borrow up to 95% of your deposit.
Okay.
For the on-the-go account, this is actually a current account that gives our customers the option of separating their savings from their everyday transactional funds with no or low fees. It is designed to be used for your everyday transaction. And the quick save is specifically for our customers who are unable to present all the Know Your Customer, the KYC documentation, which is normally required to open a regular account. It is available only in Jamaica to Jamaican residents, and it is expected that no more than 250,000 Jamaican dollars will pass through the account on a monthly basis.
Okay. So what are the account opening requirements?
Okay, so for the max deposit and on-the-go accounts, the documentation required would be a Government of Jamaica issued identification, which is either passport, a driver's license, or a voter's ID. You'll need your taxpayer registration number or your TRN and your proof of income, which is either a job letter or a payslip. But for a self-employed and unemployed person, there's a document or form that you can pick up at the branch, and you can get it completed by a Justice of the Peace, a Minister of Religion, an attorney at law, or elected representative, whether it be a councillor, mayor, or member of parliament who have known you personally for at least 12 months. So everybody can open an account at NCB. Also, you need your proof of address, and you will complete a FATCA form or a self-certification of residency form when you come in the branch to open the accounts. And for the quick save account now, all you need is the valid Government of Jamaica issued identification and the taxpayer registration number.
Okay. So what about the minimum balances? What's the kind of minimum opening balance you'd have for these accounts?
All right. So for the quick save, it is $100.
Jamaican dollars?
Yes, all of them is denominated in Jamaican dollars.
Okay.
The minimum for this. Although we do offer a foreign currency savings account. But for the quick save, it is 100 Jamaican dollars. For the on-the-go account, it is 2,000 Jamaican dollars, and for the max deposit, it is 100,000 Jamaican dollars.
Okay, so let me ask this: is there a monthly fee?
And that's the beauty about these accounts. There is no monthly maintenance charge for these accounts.
Okay. So how can a customer make a deposit to their accounts? What can they do?
All right. So the customers can make their deposit at any NCB ABM island-wide or via the online banking transfers. But if you are business customers, there are more, you have more, you can utilize other services, for example, the Dropbox services, the remote check deposit, the cash and the check collection through the deposit courier system, and we also have a quick credit cash lodgement system.
There's a lot of offerings, and what I'm impressed by is the fact that, of course, there are no monthly maintenance charges, and it goes right across with $100 or $2,000 or $100,000, and you can open these various deposit accounts.
Sure. So we cater for everybody, Clive.
Absolutely. Well, I really want to thank you so much, Nepaul Knight, manager at the Junction of NCB, and of course, where can we get you on the social media platform?
You may visit us at www.jncb.com to learn more about these accounts.
Okay.
And thank you very much for having me, Clive.
The pleasure is ours. And that was Inside Banking, Mr. Nepaul Knight.